Chapter. Are you ready?
Yes.
Pad 3B in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition.
Hi, I'm Jesse,
And I'm Ben.
and this is the video about our AE100 AD1 Rocket Design Project.
Okay, so the goal of this project was to design and launch a rocket that will carry an egg as high as possible and bring it back down safely. And so for our rocket, the layout was essentially a egg payload section followed by a parachute component, which is attached to the lower fuselage via shock cord. And the lower fuselage is where the rocket motor and fins were attached.
For the fin design, we decided to choose the fin design that had the smallest surface area, which happened to be my fin design, and plus they look cool. We chose to use only 3 fins because that's the minimal amount of fins that we could use without our rocket being unstable, and we wanted to minimize the amount of fins to reduce the drag on the rocket. This would, in theory, get our rocket to a higher altitude.
So it was essentially a trade-off between the rocket's stability and the altitude that it would reach. So the more surface area and the more fins we put on our rocket, the more stable the rocket would be, but it would reach a lower altitude than if it had less fins and surface area. And its shape was pretty interesting. Jesse's fin design was a semicircle with a tapered end. It was a pretty interesting shape, and each fin was also carefully sanded so that the leading and trailing edges were beveled and extremely aerodynamic looking.
Yes, they were.
Yes. Okay, so I guess here's some footage of the rocket launches that happened that day.
Yep. Hope you enjoy.
Hope you enjoy. Actually, you could go watch some stupid.
Dude, let me beat that. Like, that was a really
Yeah,
good ass launch.
let's go beat that.
That was like a very high launch.
Okay.
Oh.